Thinking about the Disney Quick Service plan for your next Walt Disney World adventure? Before you make your decision, let's break down what it really offers and whether it's the best choice for your family's Disney adventure.
Showcase suggestions, where I share travel tips and lists of 5 to help make traveling with kids a little easier.
Hi, my name's Christina and I'm the owner of Showcase the World Travel. Welcome back to Showcase Suggestion, where we do travel tips in lists of 5. And today we're exploring the ins and outs of the Disney Quick Service dining plan. As a travel advisor specializing in Disney destinations, I've analyzed countless dining plans for my clients to ensure that families enjoy a maximum of fun with minimal fuss. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more insider Disney tips and tricks. So number 1, let's dive into the basics. The quick service dining plan includes 2 quick service meals and 2 snacks per person per day of your Disney trip, plus a refillable mug for drinks throughout your resort. It's designed for those who prefer flexibility and simplicity during their park days. So these are the type of people who are on the go, go, go. They want to maximize the amount of attractions they're able to get on. They don't want to take time sitting down and eating. So they just want to get the quick service meals. And like I said, it's 2 quick service meals and 2 snacks per person per night of your stay. Stay tuned because later in this video, I'll tell you how to get our exclusive guide, 5 Easy Steps to a Disney Vacation Without Overwhelmed, which is packed with tips to make your trip magical and stress-free. Number 2 thing that you need to know is that Disney's quick service isn't all about burgers and fries. You'll find a variety of options like fresh salads, savory bowls, and global cuisine, providing tasty and relatively quick meals to help keep you fueled for your park adventures. Some of my favorite quick service locations are in this video, but I'm going to call out one particular, Satuli Canteen in Animal Kingdom has bowls and you customize your bowls. So you pick your base, you pick your protein, and they are delicious. It's in Pandora, the world of Avatar. So definitely beyond the burger and fries. But one thing that you should note when you're making these decisions is post-COVID, Disney's quick service menus have seen some changes. So a lot of your favorites may not be there anymore. Generally, they offer a little less variety than they used to. This is more so the resorts than the parks. But before deciding to go forward with the plan, it's important to check the latest menu options to ensure that they align with your family's dietary preferences and expectations. Number 4 thing you need to know is that it is all about flexibility and convenience. This plan is great for families who want to keep their days flexible, and you can use your meal credits at any quick service spot across the parks whenever hunger strikes. There are no reservations needed. It is great for families with older children who you might be kind of sending off on their own, and you don't want to have to be with them all the time. You don't want them to have to be asking you for money all the time, right? You can send them off and say, hey, if you're hungry, you can get a quick service meal. Value is crucial for families visiting Walt Disney World, and it's important to assess the value for your family. While some families find the quick service plan economical and convenient, others might find it does not suit their needs or appetites. At Showcase the World, we go through a thorough cost analysis for each and every one of our travelers to determine if the dining plan is sensible investment for your specific trip. So if you're leaning towards the quick service dining plan or just want to navigate your Disney vacation with ease, be sure to download our free guide, 5 Easy Steps to a Disney Vacation Without Overwhelmed. It's packed with strategies to help you enjoy a magical Disney experience without the stress. Thank you so much for tuning in at Showcase the World Travel. We pride ourselves on knowing just what your family needs for your perfect Disney vacation. Schedule a call with us through our website to start planning with a personal touch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable travel content. Thank you so much for joining, and don't forget to take a break from the busy.
Need help planning your next family vacation? Visit us at showcasetheworld.com to request a quote or schedule a free vacation consultation. Want more great travel tips? You'll find those there too.